Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. Today our topic is unit number 3, factors and multiple. Exercise number 3.2. Separate the following into even and odd numbers. If last digit is 3, it's odd number, therefore write in odd side. Last digit is 1, which is odd number, therefore write in odd side. Last digit is 4, it's an even number, therefore write in even number side. 9 odd side, 0 even side, 4 even side, 4 even side, 7 odd side, 1 odd side, 0 even side, 0 even side, 5 odd side. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3, 4 and by 5? 762, 5361, 1215, 12345, 45,678 divisible by 3. Divisible by 4, 512, 968, 3,692 and 4,952 divisible by 4. Divisible by 5. If last digit is 0 and 5, which is always divisible by 5. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 8 and 9. Divisible by 8, 512, 440, 904, 2,968, 16,920, 11,068, 9,144, 6,312. Divisible by 9, 333, 56,565, 6,669, 11,241. Find the numbers which is divisible by 11. 1,35,795, 21,212, 6,54,313 divisible by 11. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 12 and 15? 312, 576, 1,140, 4,428, 612, 11,112, 23,448, 7,035 divisible by 12. Divisible by 50, 1,140, 1,335, 3,150, 12,345, 70,350 divisible by 50. Find the numbers which can divide in by 25. 1,42,300, 54 lakh 12,625, 11 lakh 11,150, 1,02,300 are divisible by 25.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.